So we're back with another video, and today we're making some yellow rice. So I only have a few ingredients here, and I'm also going to use some scallion and thyme. So what we have here is some jasmine rice. We have our turmeric, some chiffon butter, any butter of your choice. I have some mixed vegetable. Use whatever vegetable, or you can leave the vegetable all the way out. And we're going to also add a little salt. So this is the list of ingredients. Let's get into it. First thing I'm going to do is use this cup to pour the rice. And any amount of rice you use, we're going to use the same amount of water to steam the rice. So I'm going to fill it all the way up to the top. Alright, so I'm going to add this to the pot. I'm going to wash it. We're going to wash it until the water kind of runs a little clear. Okay, we have that right there. Alright, so the washed rice. So I use the same amount of water. We'll use I go again. So the same place we shred the rice there, we're gonna put the water this out, and then we're gonna add it to the pot. So the same amount of rice, the same amount of water. Right? And then we're gonna turn on the stove. Put that on medium heat. Alright, so to that now we're gonna add butter. And we're gonna also add a little salt. Right? And we're gonna go in with some focus. We'll start this and come back. Alright, we could try again. Turmeric. So I'm gonna add. So add a little first. Stir it. And if you like the color we have, that is it. I'm gonna cover this and allow it for steam. And then we'll come back. Now we need to check the rice now. So what if I'm under me, the one go wash my hand first, but you see, so this dry out. Alright. I'll bone the rice come like it a catch. Alright, so we're gonna go in dish add the mixed vegetable. Oh god. The rice are bone, guys. So I just at the top part alone this side, you know. Just turn off the stove and make this steam. So the rice basically cook, I swear. So by the me just steam it with the heat we're in the pot. So honestly, I'm gonna turn off the stove and just make it simmer a little bit. I'm gonna show you what I have on the menu today. So we have some yellow rice. Yeah. And we have some stewed pork. That's what we have. We're going to turn on the stove. Turn it off.